Hey, hi, good evening. I hope each and everyone are able to hear me. Good evening, Abhishek. Hi, Pankaj. Hi, Praveen. Okay, um, I think we can able to start start in 5 minutes. There's one thing I observed. You guys are not watching back. It means I'm assuming like that each and everyone are very clear on the concepts, what happened up to now. Meanwhile, you have any questions or any doubts, you can post it in the chat. So we'll give 2 more minutes to join other folks. Okay, today our topic operators. What is called operator? Guys, you're able to hear me? Can you please help me with that? First, I asked to forgot. Okay, right. What is an operator? Operator means generally we'll know addition symbol, subtraction symbol, multiplication, division. All these are we'll consider as a operators. Not only those. We have some specific category of operators. We'll look into those operators. Operator means nothing but it will help us to perform a specific operation or a specific computation. And how can you say like that? Why we need to use this particular specific operator? What is the purpose of this particular operator? Who said this particular operation need to happen in this way? That is designed by the language developer, the people or the community who developed this language. Those people decided this operator means it need to perform this type of computation or this type of action. Okay. Right. Now, first of all, operator is a symbol. Or you can consider a special character. It represents a specific action or calculation or any computation. Okay, right. So now we'll discuss about some what are the main categories of operators, and after that we'll go deep dive into each and every one. First one, we already discussed this particular thing. Anyway, once again, I'll explain. Arithmetic operators. Second one, assignment operators. Third one, the order is not important. The order is not important, guys. You need to remember. So these are the categories and what each and every category will contribute to the language and contribute to the functionality or development. You need to focus on that particular thing. Assignment operators, relational operators. The another name for relational operators is nothing but relational, means comparison operators. Comparison operators. And fourth one is logical operators. Fifth one, bitwise operators. Membership operators and identity operators. Identity operators, membership operators. Okay, so these are the main categories how we are going to deal and how we are going to be discuss. Arithmetic, first we'll go with the arithmetic operators, and then we'll come to the next one. Arithmetic operators. So we have multiple types of operations in arithmetic operators. We have multiple types of arithmetic operators. We'll see what are those things. Addition, each and everyone will know. I no need to explain. Subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division, floor division. The people who are attending now, anyone are having any doubts related to any one of these operator? Just here I'll try to perform all these operations. If anyone are facing any problem or if you have any difficulty in understanding, please let me know. I'll explain that particular specific operator. Why? Because we already discussed this thing. Python, we can able to use like as a calculator. In that particular concept, we explain these particular things. Once again, I'll help you with that. 2 plus 3, nothing but 5. 19 minus 6, 13. 3 into 6, 18. 4 by 2 is equal to 2.0. Always float value modulo division, nothing but 13 divided by 3 is equal to, you will get it as a reminder, nothing but 1. It will give the reminder. And floor division, for example, 13 by 13. What is the result? You will get it now. Floor division means you will get the integer part of the coefficient. 4.33333, you will get it. The answer is 4. Integer part of coefficient. And power operator, for example, 2 to the power of 5, it means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, nothing but 32. 2 to the 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. This is a power. Anyone having any doubts related to these things? If anyone having any of these things, please let me know. I'll give a 1 minute of time. After that, we'll move to the next operators. Arithmetic operators are completed. Assignment operators. Please look, guys. If anyone are having any doubts related to any one of these operators, please let me know. I'll explain that in detail. Okay, I got response from Praveen. What about you, Abhishek? Okay, right. Now I'm going with the next assignment operators. The second one. Okay, right. Assignment operators. What are assignment operators? If you know anyone, can you please tell me what are assignment operators? What are assignment operators? We already discussed and we already used assignment operators. Maybe if you are not able to uh, remember, I'll try to. A is equal to 10. We are assigning a value of A to 10. What it mean? For example, uh, okay, A is equal to 10. we're assigning value of 10 to A is equal to. Okay. Now, for example, like this is equal to here is a one type of assignment operator. What is the purpose of the assignment operators? We can assign some value to a variable. We can assign a value to a variable. Okay, right. Now, these type of assignment operators, we have a multiple different types. We'll see on a high level what are those particular things. Okay. For example, so here I'm taking it. It's just an assignment operator. It's just an assignment. It is an assignment. Sorry. Just we can able to assign a value which is right side to the variable, and we are assigning that particular value to the variable. This is an example for that. Okay. Now we are going to use another one, additional assignment. Addition. Addition assignment. The symbol for this is plus and is equal to. We'll see what it's going to happen and what's going to perform in this one. For example, x is equal to 10. Okay. And now x plus is equal to 4. Now, if you print this particular x now, you will get result as 14. Got it? Directly, it will add this particular 4 to the previous 10 value. This is addition assignment. If anyone didn't understand any of the thing, please chart. Please mention in the chat. I'll explain one more time. Okay. Now the next one is a subtraction assignment. Now the same thing I'm taking, x is equal to 10, x minus is equal to 4. Now if I used print, sorry, if I used a print of x, my answer is 6. What it will do? It will subtract this particular number from the previous x value. Generally, how we will perform this operation? X is equal to x plus 4 we need to write. So that is the reason just we are adding and we are combining these two operations at a single time. Here also x is equal to x minus 4. We are combining these particular values. So Python is a simplifying language, right? So that is the reason people are introduced to this particular thing. Okay. Now multiplication assignment. It means x is equal to 10, x multiplication is equal to 3. Okay, we're maintaining 4. Now what is the value we'll get when we print x? What is the result we'll get? 40. Generally, how it will be traditionally? X is equal to x into 4. Simply we are using this particular operator and we are getting this. This is a multiplication assignment. Division assignment. Division assignment. Okay. Now x is equal to 10. X is equal to 4. What is the result we'll get now? What is the result we'll get now? We need to divide 10 with a 4. 2 times and after that 20 5 times. Nothing but if you print x, what is the result you will get? 2.5. This is a division. Okay. Now the next one, floor division assignment. Floor division assignment. Floor division symbol is this one. As usual, I'm taking the x is equal to 10 and I'm taking floor division of 4. Now what I'll get it if I print this particular thing? Floor division, what it will do? It will extract the integer part of the coefficient. Integer part of the coefficient. What is the result you will get now? 2 as a output. Okay. And the next one is modulus. Modulus assignment. Modulus assignment means modular and is equal to, as usual, x is equal to 10. Now x modulus equal to 4. It means remainder operator in a single shot. If I print x, what is the result I'll get it? What is the remainder if I divide 10 with help of with 4? Nothing but the output is 2. Okay. Here the operation is 10 4. 2 times 8 2 5 20 20 0. Integer part is nothing but 2. Okay. Now here, coming to here, 10, if you divide it with the 4, 2 times 8, it is a 2. This is a remainder. This is a coefficient. If anyone have missed my starting classes, for them also it will be helpful. Okay, right. Okay, now we're going to discuss about Next category, that is a exponent assignment. Exponent assignment. Exponent means nothing but with two stars will represent, and with is equal to we'll use. As usually, x is equal to 10 and x exponent of is equal to 4. What is the result we'll get if I print the x value? What is the result we'll get, guys? Nothing but it is a 10 to the power of 4. What is the meaning of 10 to the power of 4? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Nothing but 10 tens are 100, 10 tens are 100. 100, 100, 100, 100, 10,000. In the answer, no comma. Just for the reading purpose only, I mentioned it. Okay. Anyone having any doubts related to this? And anyone are having any doubts in this particular thing? No doubts? If no one don't have any doubts, then we'll move to the next step. Each and everyone are clear with the assignment operators? But these are the most usable and most usage assignment operators. Okay, guys, can someone respond? Each and everything is clear related to assignment operators. Can we move to next operator? Priority of these operators. I didn't understand your question, Abhishek. What your intention at there? Assignment operator means you are going to perform this particular thing whenever you're required. All the people understood priority of these operators. Can you please elaborate your question? It will be helpful for me to solve. What are the things we covered up to now? Arithmetic operators. Sir, if these operators comes in expression to solve, then we have to know the priority to solve. Um, Priority always will be if you are using multiple mathematical operations. The only operator precedence you need to know about it, operator precedence order, that is a BODMAS. And here You didn't get a chance to use two or three operations at a single time, at a single instance for the single purpose. That will be most impossible situation. When you're going to perform these operations generally very rarely will use. Even though if you think like that in a difficult situation also, you didn't get a chance to use combinedly all these once again assignment operators. If you are using, we already all these assignment operators itself, those are combinedly. But once again, we no need to combine these things. The assignment operators are completed. Okay, right. Now, the next category is relational operators or comparison operators. Guys, these particular relational operators or comparison operators, you guys will know very well. We'll use in our day-to-day life. We'll use in our very regular day-to-day life. This particular thing. Relational operators are comparison operators. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. These things you get to, you'll know. Okay. Now we have a greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay. You need to remember one thing. Always is equal to right side to this particular symbol. This is nothing but a greater than, less than. Okay. Here to perform all these operations, I will take two variables and I'm going to perform all these operations. And remember, always any relational operation or any relation action performed, you're able to get the result in the form of Boolean data types. What are the Boolean data types? True or false. The result of any relational or comparison operation or action is a Boolean value. Here I'm taking two values, that is nothing but x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 9. I'm taking, now see, I'm performing all these operations. What is the result? You will get it now. You need to tell me. X greater than y, x less than y, x less than or equal to y, x greater than or equal to y, y less than or equal to x, y less than x, y greater than or equal to x. Each and everyone, can you post your answers in the chat in an order? In an order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What are your answers? What are your answers? Uh, Try to type all your answers Okay, one is false. Jyoti and Anand, you need to write that particular false in a specific format. If you write false in that particular specific format, that is not a Boolean data type. That will be considered as a variable if you use a string or if you assign a value. F should be capital and T should be capital if you are writing the Boolean value. You need to remember. X greater than Y. The first thing is false. X less than Y. It is true. X less than or equal to Y. This is also true. X greater than or equal to Y. This is false. Y less than or equal to X. Y less than or equal to false. Y less than X. False. Y greater than or equal to X. Guys, why you didn't post your answers? Okay, if you utilize this particular session in a proper way, then it will be very helpful for you. If you feel like that, okay, it's completely your choice. My responsibility is I need to deliver the content, and I'm really ready to clarify your doubts. So how you will be learn and how you will interactive, that's completely your wish. Okay, these are the examples for different type of relational or comparison operators. Okay. Anyone are having any doubts related to relational or comparison operators? One special category of operators are there. I'll tell you at the end. Okay, okay, no problem. Hmm, yes, I'll tell you at the end. Now, relational operators completed. Now we'll discuss logical operators. Anyone know what are the logical operators? Logical operators are nothing but and or not. I'm just mentioning it here. And or not. Okay. Now, which one it is? Fourth one. Logical operators. Okay. Each and everyone know and they did this particular thing. That is in your 10th class or in your school maths or in your inter maths, you went through the truth tables. Truth tables. The truth tables are specifically very easy to understand. So we'll go it in that particular way. For example, all the binary values. All the binary values. What is the meaning of the binary values? What is the meaning of binary values? Either it is a 0 or 1. If you are taking a 2 bits, why? Because if you perform a logical operation, you need to have at least a 2 bits. 2 bits means you need to have that particular specific thing. I'm showing X and Y. 0, sorry, 0 and 0. This one is 0 and this one is 1. This one is 1 and this one is a 0. This one is 1 and this one is a 1. These are the different combinations possible for x and y. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Only each and every particular thing contains possibility of 0 or 1. Now, now if you see, if I perform logical operations, you'll get to know what type of results you are able to see. X and y. I'm performing logical AND. If both are true, if both are true, then only the result of this particular operation is true. Now, if you observe the result of this particular, if both are, if you perform, if you get the truth answer, if you get a 1, it means x and y both are should be true. In which situation both are true? Only in this situation both are true. In remaining all the situations, 0. Now, another one, x or y. In x or y, either x or y, at least one, if it is a true, then the result should be true. What it mean? You'll see. At least one should be 0, one should be 1, then it will be the 1. In this 2 or 0, so 0. No one saved this. In this particular one is 1, so that is the reason 1, 1, 1. Both are 1, so 1. Okay, this is OR operation. Okay, and now I'm using, I'm trying to find out another one, not x and not y. What it means? Not x means and or not, right? Not means we need to write the opposite one. If it is not x, here it is a 0, here you will get 1. Here it is a 0, you will get 1. Here it is get 1, 0, 1, 0. Not y, 0, 1. Here 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, here 0 means false, 0 means false, 1 means a true. False, 1 means true. Each and everyone understood this particular truth table? Each and everyone understood? If anyone have any doubt, please let me know. Sir, not clear. What part you didn't understand? Okay, not means it is opposite to the existing value. If x contains 0, right? Opposite is, okay, opposite to false is nothing but true. Opposite to true is nothing but false. 0 means false, 1 means true, we are considering. If it contains false, x contains false. So not x contains true. X contains false, not x contains true. X contains true, not x contains false. X contains true. Y contains not x contains false. Not y means opposite to y. Here 0, 1. Here 1, it is 0. Here 0, it is 1. Here 1, it is 0. Pankaj, is it clear now? This particular not generally we will use this we will use a word as a complement also. Okay, Anand, it is clear for you also? Not. Okay, I'm hoping each and everyone understood this particular thing. Now I'll perform. Okay, this is a general one. Each and everyone we did within a school. Okay, now I'll ask you to some specific things. 5 and 7. What is the result you will get it, guys, for this specific expression? What is the result for, okay, I didn't mention the numbering, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the result for the operation 1? What is the result for operation 1? Both are true. 5 means nothing but true, right? True, true. Or 1, 1. 1 and 1. If you perform the operation, what you will get? Generally, what you will get in this operation? You will get true, right? Okay. Now, in this particular situation, what you will get as a result? Now you will get your result as 7. Okay. Now see the same operation at here. Why? Because Python will take this particular thing as like that. If the first one is 0, then answer automatically will be the 0. No doubt. If first one is true and second one is also true, then definitely you will get your result for this particular AND operation is 7. Okay. If 0 or 20, what is the operation you will get? What is the result you will get? Nothing but OR operation, right? 20. If OR means, right, right. If the same thing, just I'm doing a little bit of modification, 30 or 20. What you will get for OR operation? You will get 30 as a result. OR will take the first one and will take the second one. If the first one is 0, you will get the 0. If first one is not 0 and second one is also not 0, then only you will get this result. Right, Anand? Okay. If anyone are facing any confusion, please let me know, guys. For example, sorry, not 99. What is the result? You will get it now. Not 99. It is something like that. It's kind of a true value. Opposite to true value, false. Not a zero. What you will get? Nothing but you will get result as a true. Does each and everyone are clear with and or not operations? Then we'll move to the next operators. If anyone having any doubts, please mention in the chat. We'll go with the identity operators and membership operators. And to understand bitwise operators, a little bit of uh, the homework you need to do. So that thing we'll discuss some other time. We'll discuss identity operators and membership operators and equality operators. Okay, one thing. I forgot. Equality operators. Okay. Okay, this is on hold. Just you need to do for related to bitwise operators. Just try to gather some information by yourself. Then it will be very easy to understand. Otherwise, it will kill a lot of time and it'll be confused. Now we're going to deal with the identity operators. What are identity operators? Identity. Identity operators. What is the meaning of this particular identity operators? And membership. That will be very easy concepts and very important, and most of the times we'll use this particular operator. Okay, membership operators and identity operators. Okay, now we'll go with the identity operators. What is this? Sixth one. Identity operators. If anyone are having any doubts, please let me know, guys. Identity operators. Okay, in identity operators, we have a two. One is, and the second one is not. For example, here I'll perform some examples from this particular thing. You are able to get it. A is equal to 9. B is equal to 12. If I perform A is B, what is the result you will get it, guys? B is not A. What is the result you will get it for this particular thing? For 1, what is the result you will get? For 2, what is the result you will get? Yes. A is B. A is 9 and B is 12. It is not. It's just an English conversation. A is B? No, it is false. B is not A. That is true. Okay. And for example, okay, we can able to perform this particular identity is not operation on the list also. You can take one list and you can check that particular element is there or not in list one or not two. You can take two lists and you can check one list is there in another list. The elements in this particular list are there in another list. Like that also you can able to check. Okay. And the second one is identity operators, and the second one is membership operators. Membership operators. Membership operators. Those are, you know, those are also very simple one. In and not in. It means, for example, you can take a small example. A is equal to data science. Now, if I'm checking A in A. What is the result you will get it now for this? A is there in this particular string or not? What is the result you will get it? What is the result you will get it? Yes, it is a true. For example, the second one, what I am asking, H in A. What is the result you will get it? H character or H alphabet is there in A? No, you will get result as false. For example, Z not in A. What is the result? We are saying we're checking like that. Z is not there in this particular thing. Yes, it is true. Okay. The same type of operations you can able to check in the list also. In a list, a specific number is there or not, a specific element is there or not. You can able to check easily with help of the membership operator. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Each and everyone are clear with identity operators? Okay. Now we're going to discuss the next one. That is a what is the problem, Anand? Equality operators. Equality operators means nothing but this particular equality operator is double equal to and not equal to. Sir, one problem. Anand, what is your problem? Where you are not able to understand? A is equal to 9, B is equal to 99. A double equal to B. What is the result you will get? A not equal to B. What is the result you will get it? Sir, in my machine, it is showing false when executed A in A. You need to give quote. You need to give quote. Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you that particular one. So what is the result you will get this particular thing? A equal to B? No. It is a false. A not equal to B, yes, it is a true. Now I'll show you why you are facing that particular problem. A is equal to data science. It is a string, right? So that is the reason I need to give in quotes, either in a single quotes or in a double quotes. Now I'm checking character or string A in A. See, Anand, you got it? I executed this particular statement. I kept second A in quotes. Second A in quotes. No, no, no. First, you need to use which you want to check. And in the second, you need to mention in where you want to check. What you want to check, where you want to check. That is the order. First, you need to check where or what you want to check and where you want to check. You need to remember that particular thing. Okay? Is it clear, guys? Okay, right. Okay. Now the operators are completed. Yes, operators are completed now. And we need to discuss taking an input from the user. So once this particular thing is completed, we'll discuss tomorrow. We're going to discuss how an user can take input from keyboard and what are in how many ways we can able to take a input and what are the different ways to execute a program, and then we'll go to the flow control statements and loops and all those things. Once we discuss these loops on a basic level, then we'll go to the data types in detail. Okay, I hope each and everyone are clear until what we discussed today. If anyone are having any doubts, please ping in the chat. Guys, I'm observing you're not watching anything back. So that meaning is you are very confident on the things which we discussed in the class, or otherwise, uh, it's completely unknown. Okay, we'll meet you tomorrow at the same time. So tomorrow topic of discussion is to taking the input from the user and at a basic level, and after that we're going to discuss about different we're going to discuss about different data types which we already discussed in detail. We'll start the notes you are saying. Sure, I'll share this particular notes. Sharing this notes. Where it is. Uh, Sorry, OneNote PDF. Okay, I'll share in the Telegram channel. You can please find out. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. Good night.